Hi there! Thank you for considering BOGOS, the most powerful Shopify promotion app. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a product bundle in your Shopify store using our app. If you haven't installed BOGOS yet, you can find the link in the description. Let's get started! Now go to your BOGOS app, click Create Offer, then select Bundle Offer, and choose Classic Bundle. Enter a bundle title, and if you'd like, add details in the description. You can also set a start and end time for the promotion, or remove the end time by clicking Delete in your keyboard. Next, set the discount type for the bundle. You have two options, percentage off or fixed amount off. Here is a small tips. With the rule of 100, for items under $100, a percentage discount works better. For higher priced items, an amount discount works better. Basically, 10% off a $50 shirt sounds better to buyers than a $5 off, but for a $1,000 phone, customers like a $200 off than a 20% discount. In this case, I'll set a 30% discount like this. Now, choose the products to include in this bundle. You can select individual products or specific variants. As a best practice, I recommend limiting the bundle to around 3 products. Based on the rule of 3, displaying 3 products keep it concise and simple. This prevents customers from feeling overwhelmed and helping them proceed smoothly to checkout. Finally, you can choose whether to combine this bundle discount with other Shopify order or shipping discounts. Simply untick the box if you don't want them to combine. In this case, if customers have already got the bundle discount, they are not able to combine with order discounts anymore. Then you can click at Publish to activate the product bundle on your Shopify store. It will show up on your All Offers page as active, like this. I've set up the product bundle, so let's see how it looks on the store. In the product page, the bundle appears just underneath the Add to Cart button. Customers are able to select the variants of the products. And when they add it to the cart, the discount is automatically applied. And for an amount off discount, it might look slightly different to a bundle percentage discount. It doesn't have the compare at price next to each products anymore. Now let's move on to customizing its appearance in the BOGOS app. From your BOGOS app, go to Customize page and select Classic Bundle. Please note that these settings will apply to all classic bundles in your store. There are many advanced options here, from adjusting text to changing colors. For example, I'll change the button text like this. You can also choose colors or use a default template. Once you're done, click at Save. Let's recheck out Bundle after all the customizations I just did. Yep, in the product page, everything looks good now. And that's it. You're now ready to create your own product bundles with the BOGOS app. If you have any questions or need assistance, drop a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy bundling with BOGOS.